Welcome to Vertis North, Quezon City, where the busy buzz meets the calm of a well-deserved staycation. And today, this tita just checked in at Seda Hotel. Kasi minsan, we all need a breather with fluffy pillows, buffet breakfast, and of course, free shampoo. My name is JLo and this is another travel episode for JLo Fight. Tara, kapit tayo! Our room at Seda was clean, comfy, and quiet. Perfect for families, writers in retreat mode, or tita travelers like me na may baong kape at kwento. May city view din tayo. Bonus na yan kung gusto mong mag-emote habang naka-row.
Mapapakita dito eh. Look at the clouds.
Saan po so?
That's landmark Trinoma. And here's the pool. Mami, let's go.
So describe mo na yung room. What do we have here?
We have normal amenities.
This is a king-size bed. There's a sofa that is shaped like
It looks like kabaong. And then, these are normal stuff. The TV is not smart. It's dumb. We have water, tea. Yeah, that's all.
We are here at the 20th floor of Seda Vertis and iikutin natin yung mga amenities dito sa hotel. So, mag-start muna tayo sa pool.
Let's start here first. So they have a play area, which is from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's 300 pesos consumables. What do you mean?
Tapos, 300 pesos.
It's your turn.
We have a gym there and a spa here.
You wanna see? Pwede ka pa mag-drawing ng
Pag hindi siguro kasya ng breakfast, dito dumidiretso, no? Pagka hindi kaya sa baba, no? Dito, ino-open nila. Kasi ang haba sa Misto eh. Okay ako dito, tahimik, no? May mga smaller function rooms, no? Like this one. Kayong gagamit ng breakfast bukas? Sabi ko ni Jewel, ano te bawal naka-chinelas, bawal nakapantulog. Ito let's read the dress code. Dito yung marina. Okay. Dito na lang kaya kayo dumiretso sa breakfast bukas pag puno. Oh, may mga smaller meeting rooms pala dito. Pwede ako dito magdala ng meetings. Okay, good for 12 packs. So here. Ito pala siya. Okay. Bababa tayo sa lobby. Chat mo nga si Jewel kung nasan siya. Picture ng Fukotsan. Diyan. May ano pala, wedding. Ito. Now let's talk breakfast. Because the day does not officially begin without coffee and carbs. Those complimentary breakfast didn't disappoint. Garlic rice, check. Longganisa, yes please. Fresh fruits, pastries, and an egg station that made my morning sunny side up, literally. And of course, I did a little sensory evaluation with my co-foodies. And what is the verdict? Misto, you passed with flying itlog! After that buffet overload, we walk it off to the nearby Vertis North Park.
Drama kayo titigil nila.
Okay, tatawid tayo sa Soler.
I don't think you can video inside.
It's bawal. Yang si Janelle, tinanong natin kung nasa yung park. May park dito sa Vertis, so Google Maps natin, pero hiyang-hiya siya kasi sabi ko, hindi tayo taga Maynila. So from Seda, this is Soler. Diretso lang dito sa may papuntang Avida. Right, di ba? Ito yung Avida. Alveo Avida. Mga few years ago, nagmaganda kami ni Daddy. Nagtingin tayo ng condo dito. So, look at them, oh. Tapos na siya ngayon. Ready for move-in. Ready to move in. Paano ba tumawid? Ang ganda dito, no? Parang tumawid lang tayo ng Mindanao Avenue. Parang nasa ibang lugar na tayo. After that buffet overload, we walk it off to the nearby Vertis North Park. Just a few steps away from Seda. It's a green pocket in the middle of the city. Tahimik, presko, and perfect for those quiet moments. Ito na ba yan? So, yung mga nagpupondo dito nagpa-park, gano'n? Alveo naman dyan.
Then we go.
Ang daming puta! Akala ko ang daming lakaran.
Tingnan may good pa sa QC.
Nasaan yung sunflower? Diyan?
Baka wala akong sunflower.
Walang sunflower kasi paultag-ulan na. TikTok capital. Dito tayo mag-TikTok. Aha. Ayun, itong TikTok there, oh. Tapos background mo to.
Ano ba yan?
Yeah. Alveo.
There's no plants.
Okay na to, ayoko na lakarin.
Nandun na.
Oo, so wala makuha sa this one. Vertis North. Kailangan natin mag-picture dito. This little city escape reminded me that you don't need to travel far to feel recharged. Sometimes a soft bed, good food, and a morning stroll in a city park are enough to reset the soul. Thank you, Seda Vertis North. We'll be back with bigger appetites and maybe a packed room.